Okay, newest addition to the inventory here is the 2013 Dodge Ram1500 5.7 Hemi 4x4 automatic. It's a bighorn truck. Truck is really clean all the way around, inside, outside. Well, inside's a little shabby, it's a work truck. Outside is really clean. It's got a bad 5.7 Hemi motor. Nice clean nose, listed complete. Okay, got two left side doors, power window, power locks. Okay, privacy in the rear glass. Left side mirror is no good. We got four 20-inch chrome cladding wheels, all of the B grades. Here's your running board. It's like a tubular style chrome step. Okay, rear end 355 disc brake ABS. Okay, bed 5 foot, 5'7", whatever you want to call it. That's the only really issue with the bed as far as the rust is concerned, just that right there. Rear glass privacy with the power center. Okay, you got the rear bumper with a couple of dings in it. Definitely usable. As you can see, it's chrome with the parking assist, dual exhaust. Left and right rear taillights. I put the gate in. It's got about 2-3 hours. It's got a little hole punched in it. It comes with the camera. And as far as the bed's concerned, you got a ding on the right side. That's it. It is your right side running board. Same thing, chrome tubular style. These are two right side doors, power window, power locks. Okay, bighorn. Right side mirror is a power fold, auto dim. It's a loaded up mirror. It's got everything. Left and right front suspensions, uppers, lowers, spindle, struts, rotor caliper. Axles are good. Front differential 355. Transmission 6-speed automatic. Front drive shaft good, rear drive shaft's good, cross member. All the parts on the motor, 5.7 Hemi motor. Don't know exactly what happened to it, but I'll show it to you a little bit. There it is right there. Okay, all the other stuff's listed with the motor. You got the cylinder heads intake, throttle body, starter alternator. It's got the electronic power steering rack with the pump on it. What else? Master booster, ABS unit, wiper motor, wiper trans. Really, that's much it as far as all of this is concerned. We'll go to the inside there. You really got nothing as far as seats are concerned. They're all messed up. Left side seat is a 10-way power with the power lumbar. Right side seat's manual. These are buckets. Window switches with the power folding mirrors, all tested, dual auto. There's your automatic headlight switch. It's got the cargo light and fogs. Steering column is tilt cruise delay with the radio controls. Okay, as you can see, there's the radio controls in the back there. There's your tilt mechanism. Okay, it's got the phone system in it. Center console, floor shift automatic. Okay, go on the inside here. This thing's got 157 370 tack trip gauges, automatic, as you can see. Left side visor is no good. Here's your inside mirror. It's got the 911 assist, auto dim. Right side visor is in good shape. You can hear the radio playing. I'm going to lower it down a little bit because we're not allowed. Okay, navigation system. Okay, 4-wheel drive. Is your heater controls. Is your tow button, traction, tow haul button, parking assist button, off on. Is your shifter. Dashboard's a gray and a black. The left side mirror, I believe I told you, is no good, definitely broke. And that's pretty much it. So again, we got a 2013 Ram Bighorn 5.7 automatic 4x4. 157,000. It's got a bad motor. Rest of the truck's in clean shape all the way around. Little rat in the bed on the driver's side. Nothing bad. Definitely a usable bed. It's also got the spray and liner. And that's it. So if you need any parts of this, you can give us a call at 888-748-5924. The XMO area Curly. We'd be glad to help you parts for this or anything else you may need. Business hours here is Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday we're here from 8 to 1. We are closed on Sundays. If you can't get us during business hours, you can get us online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 at allamericanautorecords.com. Well, that's it for this. On to the next one. I think we got 1 or 2 more to do, and we're pretty much caught up. Okay? Take care. Ciao.